Artificial Intelligence (AI). Artificial intelligence refers to intelligence created by humans. Artificial intelligence makes machines as smart as humans. Artificially intelligent devices. There are many devices or gadgets made by human beings for different purposes. These devices are artificially intelligent and smart. Let us have a look at few examples. AI toy. Aibo is a human-made dog with artificial intelligence. It can do many things that a dog can do. For example, it can bark like a dog, play with toys, listen to your commands, and identify different people. AI machines in factories. Artificially intelligent machines used in factories are capable of identifying, lifting, moving, and packing objects just like human beings.